first step to growing a perennial garden is making sure that the soil is amended. Now, I recommend you have your soil tested. You want to see what's in there that you're missing so you can add to it. My favorite amendment is rotted manure and compost. So compost is always good. It helps absorb moisture and make sure that your plants have a chance at succeeding. The plants we're featuring today are Coreopsis Early Sunrise, Coreopsis Sunfire, and Echinacea PowWow Wildberry. The plants we're growing today are perennials, and they are absolutely wonderful for attracting bees and other pollinators like butterflies. And having them in an urban garden means that you're really doing your part to help nature. In growing a perennial, you want to make sure that the root system is a strong one. You can see that the root system here is doing really well. I dig a hole. I take a handful of organic fertilizer, sprinkle it around, loosen the roots like this, and then plant it right up. Follow the directions on your tags. This is really a full sun to part sun plant. So I make sure that I'm planting it in a spot that gets full sun regularly. Watering regularly can make a difference for your plants, but make sure that you water once a week heavily rather than multiple times a week shallowly. So that's it. Easy as 1, 2, 3 gardening tips, showing you how to plant a perennial garden, a small one that's perfect for pollinators.